Hey guys, Bryce Lamy here with LeamyLawn&Landscape. Today I'm with the irrigation crew. We just finished up installing this 4-inch gutter drain here with 3 12-inch catch basins. Client had called us saying she had some water pooling up off her back porch after it would rain. So we diverted all the water underground to the street. As you see here, we had to cut the curb to fit the pipe. We redid the curb to finish the job. If you have any questions or any drain or irrigation work, give us a call today, 918-361-2790. Thanks.